YouTube, what's going on? I am the almighty Wolf Soul Kicks 14. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to bring you a quick video. Now, you guys have seen these a million times over. You can go and look these up. Probably Seth Fowler has the best review of these. These are the 2019 Air Jordan 1 SB LA to Chicago from 2019. Probably one of the best Air Jordan 1s of last year. I had stripped these all the way down to this color, but I changed my mind as of late and said I needed to bring it back to this colorway. And how I was able to achieve this is with the following colors: your standard purple, the mustard for the swoosh, and for the majority of the purple, I actually went between both of these to get the color that I was looking for to match as close to the factory purple that came on these. As far as the red, I like it the way they are. And we still may never get to see the Chicago 1s in its truest retro format. But these came with like 4 pair of laces, and I really want to wear each and every single pair as long as I have them in good condition. I mean, I've only worn them once or twice, and that's a damn good paint job for a shoe that had been completely stripped of its purple and gold powers. Even though I may never get to have a pair of OG Air Jordan 1 Chicago straight from the store, and that I can customize them anytime I want to out of any shoe, it doesn't mean that I needed to just strip this all the way down like that, because this is a very fire colorway. I mean, it's not a true purple and yellow. It's actually like a dark violet and like a mustard, clearly. And I just had some second thoughts, man, so I had to bring them back around. Now, if the red gets out of hand, then I got a few options that I can try. Fire red, chili red, and your standard red. Now, if I really wanted to be technical, I can go ahead and put the varsity red, but you can see it's really not a match. In fact, probably would have to mix a little pink or orange. I think the fire red is probably gonna be the closest one. Y'all let me know down in the comments. And this will be a nice tone to it as well. I know everybody's watching the documentary and seeing the prices go up on StockX for everything, including these. These are the 09 joints. Man, I have tried my best to keep these in great condition, but over time I have worn them out a great deal, and I've had to try to re-glue and repaint and all that kind of stuff, and in hopes of them finally retroing these. I hope they do soon, because I'm tired of seeing Air Jordan 9s trash. I might make a video about these 12s one day, I may not, but seeing as the price is going up, I think I'm going to try to maintain as much as the nice colorways as possible. I wanted to double up, but then I saw the prices for the LA to Chicago 1s, and I changed my mind instantly, so I had to bring them back to life. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Let me know if you have these, if you were able to double up. Have you kept them purple? Have you tried to show any of the red? Are you fine with having a pair of Air Jordan SB Chicago 1s, or were you in it for the LA Lakers side of things? Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section. Peace.